Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. We also have Instagram and Twitter. You can find us at TPM Videos. For the 2019 Halloween season, a new fireworks show called Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular made its debut at Magic Kingdom. The show replaced the former Hallowishes, and you can catch this new fireworks show on nights of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So sit back and enjoy the full fireworks spectacular.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween.
Wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, playful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? There you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better get that treat that's good to eat. If you want to be twice-a-week, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Each one you'll find is simply sweet. You better be sweet.
I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? What? Maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat.
Hey, look, a dog.
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says Zero.
One thing Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Or no house. That house doesn't look very inviting. This house is spooky. Look, stop shaking.
beautiful. Look at me, you said.
This piece isn't so spooky after all.
playful tricks and rightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
So, what are your thoughts on Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular compared to Hallowishes? I'd love to know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.